Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can add textures to your videos on CapCut PC. So select the video you want to add the texture on, and I just searched this up. It's like a plastic foil texture, and I'm just going to scale that, and as you can see, I just put it until the end of the video. Then choose the blend mode that you prefer for the overlay. I'm just going to choose this one, the overlay one, and here you can like change the opacity if you like, if it's too like harsh, but I'm just going to leave it as is, and as you can see, it adds this kind of plastic texture over the video. And that is pretty much it for this video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!